Hi there, English 111 Haywood students. This is Ariel Robinson reporting in for your week 5 update. I just wanted to go ahead and walk through some things. So first of all, I did want to address the fact that there was some confusion for last week because there were some issues with an upload button on Moodle. I'm not really sure what happened there. If it happens again, please let me know. I've tried to make sure that everything has updated submission settings. But yet again, if something comes up, please let me know. This is yet another week where you're not going to do a reading response. And that's because we are going to be honing in on your final draft for your essay 1. And so therefore, as you're going through and revising your piece, you're going to want to give most of your attention on the writing and the composition to that piece. So as an overview for the week, you're going to have the sentence level writing strategies, which I'll be going over momentarily, reverse outlining, revision practice, and sentence idea shifts. And so you will have a forum post for this week, a writing workshop, 2 pieces to read to help inspire your writing and revision. And just so that you know, heads up, we'll have a rhetorical situation presentation that will be introduced next week that you will complete by the following week for other people to post and to review. So just if you didn't get a chance to look at rhetoric in the wild because there were some issues with the upload submission settings, please take a look at that and the Space Cat, and then I will also be giving a lecture prior to that. So here are some of the things. I've got an update link for a Daily Show interview with Malala. I misspelled interview, so I'm going to change that right now. And so that is just supplemental for the week's tasks. So I have several things here for the writing workshop for the week. Not all of these are assignments per se. They're just some things that I noticed during some of the drafting process. The first is reverse outlining strategies. So when you click on that link, it's going to pop up with some details about reverse outlining. And so it's going to go into detail about how reverse outlining can help see your drafts in a new perspective. And it has the directions that you're going to do for your reverse outline. And it gives some additional steps. So you're going to open your most recent version of your essay 1, create a blank document, and then you're going to copy and paste your thesis in the sentence that summed up your argument, the first and last sentence of each paragraph, the sentence in your conclusion that you believe really hammers your point home. And so at that point, you're going to end up having a skeleton of your paper. And then you're going to ask yourself the questions: is your thesis making an argument about your topic, or is it merely an observation? Does your thesis statement correspond with your concluding statements, or are they making different arguments? Do your body paragraph sentences refer back to or act as smaller arguments and help support your thesis statement? And so these are things you're going to be weighing in on regarding your draft. And so it's a way for you to have a backwards design of your writing so that you can see the big picture and move backwards. So moving back on, there's also, I have a link here for some unnecessary words. Hey, that I've seen a lot in your writing, some different revision strategies, and then some links about deconstructing revision and other writing strategies. So a lot of these are going to be things that are very useful during the revision this week. And so your writing workshop that you're going to be doing is based on that reverse outlining strategy. And so in this one, you're going to be looking at the ways in which your writing needs to have that same backwards design. Then you're also going to have a forum post, and then your final essay 1, how do you see the world? And so this one will be refined from the one that you already completed for your first draft with your revisions, etc. So that is it for this week. When you have the class discussion on Malala and Sedaris, when you're looking at this one, a lot of these things are based specifically around your narrative essay and developing your ideas. So writing strategies, how do the memoirs and essays mirror your essay? What do you think about like how you can do this and still have the same ideas that they have, but like nurturing it as being your own. So these are all different things that you can use and think about during your essay, but it's also really helpful when reading. So I hope that that helps. Please feel free to reach out anytime if you need assistance. And thank you all, and I look forward to seeing you. Bye.